Hey guys, a very good evening to all my crypto believers. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Coin Monks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with our updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Jack Dorsey tweets 705742 and sets crypto Twitter abuzz. Russian officials consider proposal to mine Bitcoin with associated gas. UK FCA goes to YouTube and TikTok to warn young investors about cryptocurrencies. Pancake Honey, the DeFi protocol on BSC, was attacked by a flash loan and its value dropped by 50%. Sun.io officially acquires JustSwap to create the largest decentralized exchange in the Tron ecosystem. So let's start up with our video. Have you all been thinking about Elon Musk's tweets, he himself and his kid's name being enigmatic? Oh well, looks like a competition just entered the market by the name of Jack Dorsey. And with that being our first headline for today evening, what does the number 705742 mean to Twitter Inc. CEO Jack Dorsey? Crypto Twitter would really like to know. At 3:29 p.m. in New York on Tuesday, Dorsey tweeted the sole figure, leaving some onlookers nervously attempting to guess how it might be related to digital currencies. Block number, one of the audience members inquired. That is the number of a Bitcoin block mined not long after the tweet, according to blockchain.com. Still, there was no obvious explanation. Dorsey has a habit of tweeting on the cryptocurrency market. He added in a thread last Friday that his company, Square Inc., would adopt a hardware wallet model and develop in the open in partnership with the community. In September, Twitter announced that users would be able to send and receive tips using Bitcoin. But the question still remains what it might mean. Well, here are some predictions. Twitter users were quick to check the Bitcoin block explorer to see if block 705742, which had yet to be mined, had anything strange about it. However, there was nothing unusual found. Others quipped that the number may be Dorsey's end of year Bitcoin price target or that it could be related to Moscow time, which is Bitcoin slang for the value of 1 USD in Satoshis. Further speculation on Reddit suggested that the block number could be the first to be mined via a new mining system advocated by Dorsey. Perhaps the first block that Square mined as part of their research and development for a prospective public mining platform. The user speculated before adding that the wallet that received the block reward seemed to have around USD 2 billion inbound and outgoing transactions. The user commented, seems like a feasible volume for Square Cash App. The block in question, however, had 2,787 transactions and was mined by the BTC.com pool according to different Bitcoin blockchain explorers. Furthermore, approximately an hour after the tweet was published, the block was mined. In any case, as previously noted, Dorsey's recent tweet came after a thread from last Friday in which he indicated Square is investigating constructing a Bitcoin mining system built on bespoke silicon and open source. Moving to our next news. Wait. The news directly looks like my new intern has no references left. Anyways, a new initiative to mine Bitcoin with related petroleum gas is being considered by the Russian government. Russia's Deputy Minister of Industry and Trade, Vasily Shpak, is said to have submitted a proposal to the Russian Central Bank and the Ministry of Digital Development to mine cryptocurrency using the country's oil field equipment. According to Kommersant, the petition was filed on September 7th, requesting feedback from the government on an initiative that originated with local oil and gas businesses. The companies proposed using related gas to power local Bitcoin mining data centers. This form of natural gas is a byproduct of oil drilling, but due to the prohibitively high cost of proper gas infrastructure, it is frequently squandered by flaring, which involves simply burning of the extra gas. The Russian government has sought to lower emissions by reducing gas flaring, but has been unable to reach targets due to a lack of sufficient infrastructure. Through hybrid models of digital currency extraction, Spark allegedly remarked in the letter that using the gas for Bitcoin mining may potentially increase the efficiency of natural gas utilization and thermal generation. Last week, Russian President Vladimir Putin suggested that using cryptocurrencies to settle oil contracts was a little early. The president also acknowledged cryptocurrency's potential for worldwide money transfers. So going to the next item on the agenda, let me ask you something. Do you often use TikTok? Well, maybe or maybe not. Personally, I never thought it'd be a useful app, but looks like it is. Because of its young viewership, it would be contacted to raise awareness about cryptocurrency. And not only TikTok, there are other versions like YT Shorts and Instagram Reels too. According to the UK authority, young people have the erroneous assumption that if their Bitcoin investments go wrong, they will be bailed out. According to the regulator, these young individuals are being persuaded into buying high risk products that aren't right for them. With the greatest available ISA savings rate of 0.86% and inflation expected to reach at least 5% by December, young people are desperately looking for a safe haven for their money. The stock market, on the other hand, is a difficult area to invest for most young people. Third parties charge exorbitant fees for trades, but it's also considered as a playground for the elderly, and it's not an area that they're interested in. It could easily be argued that the stock market is a risky place for a young investor. After all, who would encourage a young person to spend their money in a market that is unquestionably nearing the all time high of its cycle? When it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are undoubtedly several that are unsuitable for anyone, let alone young investors. The shame is that certain meme coins that are nothing more than hype and air are just attracting young investors, and it must be mentioned that they are among the cryptocurrencies that are given credence, particularly on TikTok. Nonetheless, there are safer cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as a number of others that, if the investor does their homework, have the potential to provide a high return on investment. It is not just ethical to advise young British people to invest their money in underperforming products that are enmeshed in a traditional financial system on the verge of collapse. It's concerning that they are using their funds to go after young investors on TikTok and YouTube. With the chair of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, urging that the young college students in the United States save their money, a huge shift in these organizations is urgently needed. And now, moving forward with the next part. Oh well, yesterday only we talked about hackers, and here's another attack. Dude, even supervillains give warnings. Hackers indeed are dangerous. Binance Smart Chain, an Ethereum competitor for DeFi protocols, has been the target of numerous flash loan attempts from the beginning of May 2021. The largest target is BurgerSwap, a DeFi protocol. On Friday, May 28, around 3 am, BurgerSwap launched a flash loan assault on BSC. According to the platform, the attackers made $7.2 million in losses in just 14 transactions. PeckShield has issued a warning that Pancake Honey, the BSC DeFi protocol, has been targeted by quick loans according to blockchain data. Honey's price in particular dropped by up to 50% in a short period of time. Over the last month, BSC has been a hotspot of attackers. Many hackers have taken advantage of DeFi protocols on BSC, with Pancake Honey being the most recent technique for self-targeting. The compromised transactions included 513 transfers and 19 million gallons of gas, with the Alpaca token being used in a substantial proportion of them. Alpaca Finance is a fair launch project with no pre-sale, no investor, and no pre-mine. Pancake Honey was also the victim of an attack not long ago. On 3rd June 2021 at 1:46 UTC, Honey Minter smart contract has been mined using a smart contract. According to a preliminary report supplied by the project, the contract was subsequently completed 91 times. Price manipulation was also evident in the Honey BNB market, which fell from $0.31 to $0.16 as a result of price manipulation. So now, while moving to our last segment for today, we all know Superman gets his power from the sun itself, but this sun being biased gives power to only one man, no distribution sadly. All we get from sun is tan. But this new Sun.io, of which we'll talk about today, is said to have created the largest decentralized exchange, the power distribution. JustSwap, Tron's first token exchange protocol, and Sun.io, Tron's first one-stop platform that incorporates stablecoin swap, token mining, and self-governance, have gained significant support and generated new rounds of mining hype since their launch as two essential components of the Tron DeFi ecosystem. We're glad to announce that Sun.io has acquired JustSwap and was upgraded to the most prominent decentralized exchange in the Tron ecosystem, declared SunSwap. They added, "We will take steady steps in upgrading SunSwap. In the initial stage, we'll formulated the following roadmap. Stage 1, Sun.io acquires JustSwap to create SunSwap, Tron's largest decentralized exchange with the advantages of both sides. Meanwhile, the Sun token will be upgraded to be platform tokens of SunSwap for governance purposes. Stage 2, develop and build SunSwap v1.5 to strengthen the properties of Sun token as a platform token so that it can be widely used to reward liquidity providers and buyback tokens with revenue on the platform, etc. In addition, SunSwap's platform proceeds will also be used to buy back and burn Sun to boost the value of Sun tokens. Stage 3, build SunSwap v2.0 and improve the liquidity mining feature. Stage 4, build SunSwap v2.5. Sun.io will integrate sunswap.com, add an aggregation pool and integrate the features of vSun, ending it with phase 5 where they will be fully introduced DEX multi-form trading mode and enable trading futures and other derivatives. In the future, the Tron DeFi ecosystem will continue to grow rapidly, forming a comprehensive industrial chain that encompasses lending, staking, asset management, trading, liquidity and stable coins among other things, with JST and Sun serving as the ecosystem's core tokens. Tron will benefit from SunSwap's addition to the product ecosystem. It will eventually reach full capacity and become Tron's largest decentralized exchange. Finally, they wanted to emphasize that they can't progress without the active participation of every user and developer in the community. To take the initiative to the next level, all members of the community were encouraged to provide their thoughts. Members who make excellent contributions would also be eligible for Sun Awards. Developers and liquidity providers were invited to contact them and participate in the platform dividends. So we would now wind up our assessment for today evening and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get updates daily about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of Coin Monks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.